How prepared are you really if your dream trip suddenly turns into a travel nightmare overnight? Like I'm talking canceled flights, closed airspace, political tensions, chaos at airports, and you're just standing there thinking, wait, nobody told me this could happen. Because listen, I'm going to be real with you right now. Most travelers are completely unprepared for global disruptions, and that's exactly why today I'm dropping something different. Something powerful, not just tips, but survival-level travel hacks that could literally save your entire trip, your money, your sanity, and yeah, even your safety. And I'll tell you this up front, so you stay till the end, because tip number 9 and 10 are things almost nobody talks about, and they can completely flip the game for you. And I want you to comment below while watching what's the worst travel situation you've ever faced. Because trust me, after this video, you'll never travel the same way again. So let's get into it. Hack number 1, and this is where most people mess up big time. Never ever rely on a single flight route during unstable global situations. You gotta think like a strategist, not a tourist. Always book flights with backup routes in mind. Like if your main route gets canceled, you already know your alternative path. Because airlines won't prioritize you, you're just another passenger to them. But if you're prepared, you're already ahead of 90% of travelers. And here's the shocking part. During major conflicts, airlines can cancel flights within minutes without warning. Yeah, minutes. So having a secondary route already researched can literally save your entire trip. Hack number 2. Download offline maps and documents. Sounds simple, right? But almost nobody does it until it's too late. Imagine landing in a foreign country and suddenly there's no internet, no signal, nothing. How are you going to navigate? How are you going to find your hotel, your embassy, emergency exits? This is where offline maps become your lifeline. And not just maps. Download your boarding passes, hotel bookings, ID copies, insurance details, everything. Because when things go wrong, digital convenience disappears fast. Hack number 3 in this one is powerful. Always register with your embassy before traveling to high-risk regions. I know it sounds official and boring, but this is serious. Because if something escalates, your embassy becomes your strongest support system. They can help you evacuate, guide you, protect you, but only if they know you're there. And most people skip this thinking, it won't happen to me until it does. Hack number 4. Travel insurance is not optional anymore. It's survival gear. And I'm not talking about basic insurance. I'm talking about comprehensive coverage that includes trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and political evacuations. Yeah, evacuations. Because during conflicts, medical help becomes expensive and limited. And evacuation costs can hit thousands of dollars instantly. And here's the thing people regret the most. They think they saved money by skipping insurance, but end up losing way more. Hack number 5. Always carry a conflict-ready travel kit. And this is where it gets real. Your carry-on should have essentials like power banks, snacks, basic medicine, extra cash, a flashlight, and even a change of clothes, because delays can turn into overnight situations real quick. Airports can shut down, flights can get stuck, and you don't want to be that person sitting there with nothing but stress and hunger. Hack number 6. Stay updated with real-time alerts, but not just from one source. Use multiple apps, news alerts, airline notifications, because during global issues, misinformation spreads fast. And relying on one source can mislead you. You gotta cross-check everything like a pro. Hack number 7, and this one hits different. Always keep local currency on you, not just cards. Because during crises, ATMs may stop working, card systems may go down, and suddenly your digital money becomes useless. Cash becomes king in chaos, and having even a small amount can help you survive critical moments. Hack number 8. Choose accommodations wisely. Don't just go for cheap deals. Go for strategic locations, close to airports, embassies, or major roads, because when things go south, location matters more than luxury. And trust me, walking distance can be the difference between safety and being stuck. Hack number 9, and this is where things get intense. Always monitor exit strategies from your destination. Don't just think about arriving, think about leaving too. Know the nearest airports, borders, alternate transport options, because when conflict hits, everyone rushes out at the same time, and if you're not prepared, you're already late. And finally, hack number 10. And this one, most people ignore completely. Trust your instincts over plans. Yeah, I said it. If something feels off, if the situation looks unstable, Don't wait for confirmation. Don't wait for news. Act early, change plans, move locations, because in global conflicts, timing is everything. The earlier you react, the safer you stay. And here's something I promised you at the beginning. A powerful suggestion that can change your entire travel mindset. Always travel like a smart survivor, not just a tourist. Plan for the unexpected, expect disruptions, and prepare solutions before problems even happen. Because the world is unpredictable, but your preparation doesn't have to be. And if this video opened your eyes even a little bit, hit like, share it with someone who loves traveling. And drop a comment saying, "I'm ready," so I know you're not traveling blind anymore. Because the difference between a ruined trip and a saved one is not luck, it's preparation, and now you've got it.